Ready to supercharge your Linux journey? In 2025, Fedora and Ubuntu stand tall as the two titans of the open source world. Today, we're diving deep comparing security, performance, ease of use, and community, so you can decide which distro is your perfect match. First, let's start with the introduction. The Linux powerhouses. Fedora and Ubuntu both boast decades of heritage, vibrant communities, and millions of users worldwide. Fedora, the Red Hat-sponsored innovator, pushes the envelope with cutting-edge technologies. Ubuntu, the Debian-based workhorse, focuses on rock-solid stability and user-friendliness. In this head-to-head, we'll explore what makes each distro shine. Now, key features Showdown. Fedora's bleeding edge. Defaults to Wayland for smoother graphics, lower latency, and modern hardware support. Ships with the latest GNOME shell enhancements and a modular Atomic Edition, Silver Blue, Keen White, for atomic updates, rollbacks, and container-centric workflows. Rapid release cycle, twice a year, ensures you always have the freshest kernel, toolchain, and open-source libraries. Ubuntu's stability and convenience. Uses Snap-based App Center supporting Snap, Deb, and Flatpak in a unified interface for one-click installs and updates. LTS, long-term support, releases every 2 years, with 5 years of maintenance ideal for enterprises and developers who prioritize consistency. Ubuntu 25.10 introduces DevPack for streamlined developer toolchains and enhanced AI workload optimizations on Intel GPUs and AMD SEV SNP confidential computing. Now the performance battle. Kernel and low-level gains. Fedora's use of Linux kernel 6.14 delivers measurable gains in CPU-bound tasks and memory management thanks to upstream optimizations and driver support. Ubuntu's stable kernel build emphasizes long-term reliability, reducing regressions in mission-critical workloads. Real-world usage. Web browsing and Office. Both distros launch Firefox and LibreOffice quickly. Fedora edges out slightly in page load times, while Ubuntu feels marginally smoother when multitasking under heavy loads. Video editing. On Fedora, the latest Pipewire stack offers lower latency in audio-video capture. Ubuntu's version remains rock solid, with broader codec compatibility out of the box. Gaming.